Good morning. Take a seat, please. We'll be going through this.
The purpose of this meeting is to get information about the judgment debtor's financial means. The person who is having the judgment enforced against them is known as the judgment debtor. The person who has successfully obtained the judgment and is trying to enforce it is called the judgment creditor. We will sometimes refer to them here as the debtor and creditor. The information from this appointment helps the creditor to assess which, if any, of the enforcement methods available might help the creditor to get the money owed. The person asking the question is a court officer and not a judge, but the court officer has the authority of the court to ask these questions. The court officer will only be interested in discussing the debtor's financial means.
So, what is your occupation?
Well,
the debtor is usually questioned on oath. The court officer will ask the questions unless the court has ordered that the judgment debtor be asked these questions by a judge. The debtor is also required to produce documents, including payslips, bank statements, mortgage statement, court orders, outstanding bills and utility bills for the past year.
Are you the sole owner of your property?
Yes, I am, but I do have a mortgage.
I see. And what would be the monthly payments on that?
About $800 per month.
What other expenses do you have?
The judgment creditor or his or her representative can attend the meeting to ask questions. Alternatively, the creditor can submit additional questions to the court about the debtor's financial means and ask the court to request specific extra documentation.
So what other income or assets do you have?
Well, none really.
Do you own a television set?
Yes, I do have a television set.
I see. How old would that be?
Well, I've had
It is important that the debtor attends this meeting. Failure of the debtor to appear when summoned to attend is contempt of court. This can result in a judge issuing a fine or even a committal order for imprisonment.